Hello everyone, this is Fazal Ur Rahman here from codebook.in. Hope you're enjoying my project videos. So I brought you a new project on healthcare domain here. Let us see what is the concept of the project. Before that, let me show you this is the landing page we have developed, and you can see here some data is displayed. This project technologies are for front-end technologies. We have used here HTML5, CSS3, and JavaScript. And for backend programming, we are using Python programming along with the Django framework, which is the topmost framework in Python. Database we are using here, MySQL. And I have also integrated this project in AWS real-time cloud storage. That is also possible. Now, this project is having multiple users. This project is totally dependent on healthcare system, and it has 5 different types of users interacting with this project. To understand the different users, what are those? You can see the waste paper here. And this is the architecture. You can see here IoT based device is there. Okay. And the healthcare center here, server device is there. Medical cloud server will be there. And key protection servers are there. Network will be there. So many things are there here in the architecture. And you can see the modules here. Network manager will be there. And the key protection servers are there. KPS. Biomedical sensors are there. BMS, which will gather the patient records. Personal assisted device are there. Okay, smart devices. Medical cloud server is there. And finally, service device is there, which is nothing but the, we can say, hospitals, medical institutions. Now, this is the home page, the landing page. Let us see the project execution step by step. For that, I am going to open all these users, okay, modules in different tabs. Let us say first tab is for user, and next tab I'll go for, okay, network manager, next key protection server, next cloud, and next service device. And we are going to explore here all those step by step. First of all, in user, let's try to register a new user here. And we have to provide some details. Let's provide the details here. Location, and I can select my profile picture from here. Register. OTP is sent here to the mobile number. You have to provide the valid mobile number to receive the OTP. Now I have received the OTP. Let me check and provide in the application. The OTP what I have received here is 4131. Let's validate this, and account created successfully. Let's try to perform login now. Login successful. Total devices, I don't have any device. I don't have any PHI records. Restrictions not done yet. Let's try to add a device here, as it is a Internet of Medical Things project. So let's add a device here. So I'm going to select here Smart Fitness Watch and type a device optional. Submit. Device added successfully. After device is added, we need to add the PHI. Okay. Patient health records in this device. Okay, we have got only one device, so select this device. Patient name, let's say the patient name is Mark, and the patient weight is 86. Patient height is 185 centimeters. Age is 42, and blood group of the patient is here A+, A positive. Let's click on this add button. Please connect the device. You can see here we have connected to the device. Whatever the device we have added, that needs to be connected to the system in order to gather the information. Like what information? Blood pressure of that patient, heartbeat of that patient. How we are going to connect this? This system we need to connect through USB. We have to provide the USB here. Let's provide the USB. We need to insert a pen drive or any USB device here to our laptop in order to get the information. Unless and until it will not get into the next step. Okay, let me do it again. Patient name, let's say Mark, weight is 82, height is 186, age is 40, and blood group is A positive. Now here I am connecting a device here, which is nothing but to my laptop. I'll connect a pen drive. Okay, let's say this is our smart device, which is nothing but through which we are going to okay, it's a sensor-based device through which we are going to access or we are going to calculate the health records of the patient. Okay, this patient, which is nothing but we'll call it as vital records. Okay, let's click on add. Protection key status is still pending. So it's added. Now you can see the protection key still is pending. So key status is pending. Let's go to the each and every user here. Let's go to protection server. Okay, key protection server is here. Now let's log into this key protection server. Server login. Login is successful. View personal assistant device. Okay, there is nothing here. Let's go to network manager. NETWRK network. Login and view PID details. Now we can see here there is a smartwatch device is there. So this device needs to be authenticated from the network. So this network manager will authorize this device. You can see here it is in pending state. So now it will send key. Okay, a key will be sent to the key protection server. Key successfully sent. Now let's get back to our KP server. Refresh here, and you can see this key protection server has got a request from the network manager, and now it will say send key. That is also send keys is completed. Okay, now let's go to our user. Let's try to add device now. So the add device is completed. Let's go to add PHI. Under add PHI, we have got one device is added. Patient record, let's say here John. Weight, let's say 87. Height is 185. Age is 52. And blood group is some B negative. Now connect USB to the laptop, and assuming that through this we are gathering the patient health details through sensors. Let's click on add here. So now PHI added successfully. PHI, personal health information added successfully. Now we can start sensor such that the sensors will start and it will record the details, vital details of this patient, John. Let's click on the start sensor button, and the patient details are being gathered here through sensors. After that, you can see here user health details. BP is there, 120/60, sugar is there, pulse rate is there, oxygen 70%, body mass index. So these data have been gathered. Let's click on submit now. PHI details sent successfully. Okay, PHI details are sent successfully. Now where these PHI details will be sent to the service device. Okay, let's log into this service device. Let's log into the cloud and service device. First of all, I log into cloud because those details will be sent to the cloud as well. So login successful. You can see here total number of users 3, total PID devices 3, total PHI data is 3. Got it? So let's click on this view PHI, and you can see there is a patient here. You can see the information like this also, metadata all. Now this is in pending state. Let's click on accept. So the cloud server will accept these details from the patient through the sensors what we have collected. Now this cloud server, when it's accepted, it will go to the service device. Let's go to service device here. For that, we have got hospital. Username is hospital. Password is also hospital. Login successful. View PHI data. And now here you can see the details are visible. Status is this completely. And send prescription we are saying here. What is the prescription? For John, okay, we are sending the prescription. What is the prescription? Let's upload the prescription file here. Assuming that this file is a prescription, now we are sending it to the John. Prescription sent successfully. It's completed also. Let's go to user here now, and we will see doctor response, what it has given. And prescription done is in the dashboard 0. Let's refresh the page, and you can see now prescription done is 1. Total device is 1. PHI data nothing. Prescription done is 1. Let's go to doctor response and check the response here. We have got a prescription from the doctor, John prescription. Let's download it. Okay. And the prescription is downloaded. Done. The prescription is downloaded successfully. This is the file. Okay, this is the prescription file. So in this way, we are saying that in the Internet of Medical Things, we can capture the details using some smart sensing devices like smartwatches will be there, pulse oximeter will be there, and BP, sugar, everything, and all those things will be captured and in a secure environment through network manager. It will, okay, it will send, okay, the device, whatever we have added, it will be sent to the network manager. Then a network manager will send to the, okay, key protection server. Then key protection server, after that only the device will be added. After the device is added, then only the management or any particular user or patient can gather the records, and from the sensors, the vital records of the patients can be gathered. Then they will be sent to the cloud server here. Then the cloud server will send to the respective hospitals. From there, the prescription will be handed over to you. So this was a simple project explanation and execution. This project will not work until you connect the internet connection, as well as you connect a USB device to this project. Okay. So with this, I hope you have understood the project concept, how smart healthcare we are providing in the secure environment, such that the patient details should be very securely stored in the cloud, and the device also very securely stored in the cloud. No one can easily access it. So with this, I conclude the project execution. Thank you very much. Have a nice day. Bye for now.